Hello Prep 2. For today's maths lesson, you are going to be learning about tallies. Now, I know that you have done some work on tallies already before. I've got my whiteboard here. I wonder if you can remember what a tally looks like. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I need to do next? 5. Now a tally looks a little bit like a gate, doesn't it? We have our 4 marks that are vertical, and then we have one that goes across. Now you can either do it going diagonally like I've done, or you can do it like that. It doesn't matter which way you do it, it's up to you which way you prefer. I've always done it this way because that's how I was taught to do it when I was at school. So we're going to do tallies today, and you are going to help me. I have got loads of toys that I need to sort out today. And in particular, the ones that need sorting are, I've got lots of Sylvanian animals. Wonder if any of you have got some of these at home. I have got so many that I keep tripping over at home, and I need to organise them. So we're going to use a tally to help us with that. And Olive has got a bag of lots of these little fellas. We've got so many, and they're all different. Or some are the same actually, but we're going to sort those and we're going to organise those by colour. So let's go and have a look at how we're going to use a tally to help organise some of these toys that I keep tripping over at home. So you can see here that I have got loads of these little tiny Sylvanian animals that we are going to organise. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to sort them into their groups so that we can see which ones we've got. Let's have a look at those. Okay, now everybody, I have organised all of the Sylvanian animals into their groups. Now I'm going to use my tally chart to help me organise them and to work out how many I've got of each animal type. So let's have a look at this. I'm going to use my whiteboard to help as a bit of support for my sheet. Okay, let's have a look. Cats. Where are the cats? Here. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to mark them down on my tally chart. Rabbits. The rabbits are down here. I'm going to move the cats out of the way. Let's put those there. Now the rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go across for that one because I've got 5. Hedgehogs, these are easy to find. I've got 2 of those, they're so fluffy. Dogs, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Koalas, these ones are cute, aren't they? How many have we got there? Maybe they're twins. And then squirrels. These have got lovely faces. Okay, now that I have counted all of my animals, we can have another look at this tally chart. Okay, I'm going to write in the total at the end of each row. Okay, so let's have a look. Cats. We have 4, rabbits 5, hedgehog 2, dogs 3, koalas 2, squirrels 3. Now, because you are maths superstars, you can use this information to answer some questions. So you may want to pause the video after I have asked your question, and then you can come up with the answer. Which animal was the most popular? So that means which one was there most of? Which one was most popular? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the rabbit. There were 5. Which animal was the least popular? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, for this one we've got a tie, haven't we? The hedgehogs and the koalas were the least popular result. Okay, now we've got our second group of things that we need to sort. And just like before we can count them, I think we need to organise these, don't we? Because they're in a little bit of a muddle. Let's organise them first. Now that all of the animals have been organised into their colours, we can start to do our tally. Okay, I am going to do the tally as I point to them. Okay, so watch what I am doing. Okay, I've done the purple ones. Let's move those to one side. Okay, we're going to do blue next. We might be here for a long time. There's lots of blue ones. Wow, that was a lot of blue. Let's move those out of the way. Orange next. Pink. And last but not least, here's green. Okay, once again, we are going to use this column to write the totals. This time I didn't count out loud when I was writing down my tally chart. So I wonder if you can have a look at this and see if you can predict which number is going to go in the end column. You can pause it now if you want to. You can even jot the ideas down if you've got some paper or a whiteboard. Let's see if we can do this together. Purple. Now I've got 4 lines going down and 1 going across. I know that that means 5. So 5 for purple. Wow, there are lots of blues. Now this is when counting in 5s, like you did last week, is really helpful. Because we can say 5, 10, put 10 in our head, 11, 12. Wow, that was a huge number, wasn't it? 12. Orange, I can look at that and I know that I have 4. Pink, 3. Green, 3. Wow. We have organised those toys into their colours and we have counted. Now I wonder which colour was the most popular. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the most popular out of these toys were the blue. There were far more blue than anything else. Now that you've helped me organise those toys and sort them and make those tally marks and look at the totals, you are well prepared to do your work for today. If you haven't done so already, there is a link on the Google Classroom which will take you to some questions all about tallies. Then you have got some worksheets which you can download and you can have a go at. And there is an extension activity that you can do today if you feel like you would like a bit more of a challenge. I think that you will do well with this because your knowledge of the 5 times table and counting in 5s is going to come in really handy today. So I hope you enjoy working with your tallies, and I will see you again tomorrow.